In this video, I'll show you how to recover a deleted Excel sheet. Now, we have two options here, one for autosave users and one for those who don't use autosave. So we'll start with those of you who don't use autosave. So if you are still in the project, if you've exited out, unfortunately, it probably won't work for you. And over here, you can see that autosave is off. And let's say we accidentally deleted invoice details. All we would need to do is go to the X to close out, and all you need to do is don't save. And when you open back into it, you'll have your deleted slide back. Cool. Now for those of you who do have autosave on, that deleted slide, once it got deleted, it highly likely autosaved. So what you are going to want to do is go to File on the top left, and then click on Info, and then Version History. And here you'll see I have a version before I deleted that slide, and if I click onto it, I now have my invoice details slide back. And then from there, I would just recommend you go back to File and just hit Save As, just to make another local copy of it. Or you can save to OneDrive again, up to you. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I will see you when I see you.